Welcome to this shortwave radio channel, and this is the unboxing of the Tecsun PL-606 portable shortwave receiver. So this is a receiver that I ordered while I was doing actually the live show last night. Somebody talked about it, and one of the radios I didn't have in my collection, so I thought, why not? Let's take a look. So less than 24 hours later, here it is, thanks to Amazon Prime membership. So let's open the radio and see what's in this box. So I'll put this on the side. And we, of course, going to take this like this. The little extras are in the bottom. Okay, so this is what was in the radio. So interesting. They have a telescopic antenna here. They have the radio. And there's a little carrying pouch, Tecsun carrying pouch. And there's this here. So this is kind of interesting. We've added, this is kind of interesting. What is this telescopic for? It says if there's a telescopic and another telescopic. We'll have to see. This one has a center here, so it's going to be interesting to see what happens with that. So this is the radio. Simple little radio, PL-606. Has a size, it's a little bigger, but has a size and feel of the 330. When we look at the Tecsun PL-330, it's pretty much, there's a slightly smaller, but not by much. So kind of interesting here. Let's see, it takes AA batteries, so that's going to make some people happy, of course. AA batteries are what is available for the battery compartment. So this is a receiver that gets FM, medium wave, and shortwave. Shortwave from 2300 to 21950 kilohertz, which is the majority of the international broadcast band. So this is kind of nice. So this is going to be interesting to see what this is all about. A little telescopic here. Comes with a little wire antenna with the jack. So this is nice. Means the radio has a shortwave and FM antenna jack, which is very nice for the price. You know, that's where I see C-Crane being very behind. A C-Crane CC Skywave SSB that doesn't have any antenna jack. It's kind of a joke for the price they sell it. And of course a pair of cheap earbuds right here with stereo FM in it. And the instruction manual that's right here. So this is the instruction manual. Photo radio, function diagram, radio itself. Okay, we'll be looking at this a little later. So this is the instruction manual that comes with it. Snooze functionality, some stereo settings, clock, intelligent charging function. Oh, look at that. This is how to improve FM reception. Connecting the external telescopic antenna to extend the length of the built-in antenna. So you can actually connect that antenna to the telescopic to make it longer for better FM reception. This is interesting. This, I gotta say, is a very unique setup that I've not seen before. And here we have, of course, the demonstration of the wire antenna that comes with it. So this is cool. Going to be interesting to see if on the MLE30 it works well in overloads or not. And if we look at the quick, we got the ETM functionality that we're going to use, of course. So videos coming up today of the Tecsun PL-606, and of course we'll be comparing it with other radios. This is a radio that does not have single sideband, so that's one thing to note. No single sideband on this receiver. It's really a plain AM mode only for shortwave radio. So it's kind of one of those little portables, but it's interesting what comes with it. So hope that you enjoy the videos that are going to be available today as we play around with the Tecsun PL-606 AM FM shortwave portable from Tecsun. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.